Siyempre, hindi naman natin kayang mag-work forever and it is best na mag-invest tayo para in the future magkaroon tayo ng other source of income. Kasi we always work for money but with the help of investing, we let our money work for us. Hi everyone, Maria and Casey, and we're here to share some ideas and tips about personal finance and adultings. So our topic for today will be about things you should know before you invest. And before we start our video, disclaimer lang guys that we are not financial experts and this is not a financial advice. Everything that you will learn from here are based on our knowledge, experience, and research. So first, what is investing? It is simply to put money, time, and effort into something to make a profit.
Investing is like planting a seed now and waiting years for it to grow before you can enjoy its fruits. Just to clarify some things, investing is different from trading. Investing is long-term and involves lesser risk, while trading is short-term and involves higher risk.
Next is, why do we need to invest? So there are many reasons on why do we need to invest, but we will only be discussing the most important reason, and isa doon yung inflation. So kailangan natin mag-invest para malabanan natin yung inflation, and yun yung pagtaas ng mga bilihin natin taon-taon. For example, meron kang 100 pesos way back 2010. Kung noon kaya niya makabili ng 3 kilong bigas, for sure this year, 2 kilong bigas na lang ang kayang mabili ng 100 pesos mo.
And the next reason on why we need to invest is because of compound interest. So, ano nga ba yung compound interest, diba? It is the interest you earn on top of interest. And dito, may example tayo. For example, you have 10,000 pesos tapos gusto mo siyang i-invest for the next 3 years at 6% interest compounded annually. So, sa year 1 mo is syempre, nandun yung capital mo, yung initial capital mo, which is 10,000 pesos. Ang tutubuin niya for the year 1 is 600. Kasi 6% yung interest niya, di ba? So, ngayon, ang mangyayari, sa year 2, imbis na yung 10,000 mo lang na initial capital, yung magkakaroon ng interest, ang mangyayari is kasama na yung tinubo na interest mo sa year 1. So, ngayon, ang mangyayari, sa year 2, yung 10,600 mo na, yung magkakaroon ng interest. Kasi 'di ba sabi nga kanina, yung compound interest it is the interest you earn on top of interest. Kumbaga yung interest mo nanganak pa siya ng another interest. And ngayon sa year 3, hindi na lang yung 10,600 mo yung magkakaroon ng interest. Ang magkakaroon na ngayon ng interest is yung 10,600 plus 636 na interest mo nung year 2. So ngayon, ang magkakaroon na ng interest this year 3 is yung 11,236. Kaya ngayon, ang lumabas na interest niya, kung 6% interest compounded annually, is yung 674.16 na interest for the year 3. So ayun, ganun siya nag-work. Basta ang lagi mo lang tatandaan kapag compound interest is it is the interest you earn on top of interest.
So, ang last reason natin on why do we need to invest is to make our money work for us. Kasi syempre, hindi naman natin kayang mag-work forever and it is best na mag-invest tayo para in the future magkaroon tayo ng other source of income. Kasi we always work for money but with the help of investing, we let our money work for us. Ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating i-consider bago tayo mag-invest?
Actually, marami tayong mga kailangan consider before we start to invest, diba? But first is syempre yung goal. Kailangan meron tayong goal in mind kung para saan ba tayo nag-i-invest. Kung para ba yan sa retirement mo, sa travel, sa bibili mong bahay in the future, or your educational fund. And another thing is also yung risk, diba? Kung conservative ka ba, moderate, o aggressive. Kasi baka mamaya conservative ka tapos yung pinag-i-investan mo is pang-aggressive, 'di ba? So kailangan nagtutugma 'yon. And also is yung time horizon mo din, 'di ba? Baka mamaya kailangan mo pala yung pera for the next 2 to 3 years tapos nag-invest ka sa investment na may lock-in or may maturity na 5 years, diba? So, kailangan alamin mo yung mga factors na yun. And another thing na ilalagdag ko, syempre, is yung budget mo din, diba? Dapat mo rin consider yung budget. Kasi nga, baka mamaya, gusto mo mag-invest sa property, pero yung budget mo naman monthly is 1K lang, diba? So, hindi siya nagtutugma. And these are the things na importante na huwag natin kakalimutan na i-consider, diba? And also, which investment to invest in. Diba? Kasi maraming investment ngayon. Actually, sobrang dami yung pwede mong pagpilian. Pero sabi ko nga, is hindi naman lahat ng investment na yun is para sa'yo talaga. So, kailangan alamin mo kung ano yung nag-fit sa goals mo, sa risk mo, sa time horizon mo, and syempre, yung sa budget mo. Now, where to invest our money, diba? Pero disclaimer lang, ulit, these are just examples and not financial advice, diba? So first is you can invest in stocks. It's like you own a shares of a company, just like yung mga Jollibee, Apple, Ayala, SM, Pure Gold. And you can earn through capital gains and dividends. And some brokers in Philippine stock market let you invest for as low as 1,000 pesos. But some brokers naman din let you invest for as low as $1 in global markets. And next is yung Pag-ibig MP2. So, ano nga ba yung Pag-ibig MP2, diba? It is a voluntary savings program for members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends than the regular Pag-ibig savings program. At yung kailangan lang natin tandaan dito is 5 years yung maturity nito. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng kunin, kunwari 1 year pa lang or 2 years pa lang, not unless talagang emergency siya. And yung mga reasons naman kung ano yung mga dahilan para makuha mo yung pera mo kapag wala pang maturity, nakalagay na rin naman yun sa website nila. And also, ang kagandahan lang din kasi dito sa Pag-ibig MP2 is guaranteed yung capital mo. Okay? Pag-ibig MP2 is tax-free siya. And yung minimum amount naman dito sa Pag-ibig MP2 is just 500 pesos. Diba? Sobrang abot kaya. And the next one is yung bonds. It is like a loan from an investor to a borrower such as a company or government. You can earn through interest naman kapag ka sa bonds. Next is yung mutual funds or yung UITF. Diba? Ano nga ba itong mutual funds or UITF? It is a managed fund that pulls money from investors to invest in securities and managed by a fund manager. And yung difference lang din naman ng mutual funds and UITF is mutual funds are offered by companies such as Atram, Sun Life, or PhilAm, while yung UITF naman are offered by banks like BDO, PPI, or Security Bank. Another investment that we can invest in also is yung real estate. Siyempre, you can earn through capital appreciation and rental income sa real estate kapag ka, for example, may property ka na binili at a lower price, tapos nag-appreciate na yung value niya. So, ngayon, ibebenta mo na siya at a much higher price, diba? And also, yung commodities din, pwede rin tayo dyan mag-invest like yung mga gold, oil, and silver. Another one is yung cryptocurrencies, diba? Ito yung usong-uso ngayon, yung mga sobrang high-risk na investment. Like yung mga Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, yung mga ganyan. Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi ito mga stock picks or mga crypto picks ha. Ano lang to, examples lang siya para lang din mas maintindihan nyo. Lastly is we can also invest in a business. Kung ikaw yung sobrang aggressive na tao tapos gusto mong mag-start ng negosyo mo, pwede rin naman. It's the right time to invest.
So the earlier the better and as young as possible because again of compounding interest. But make sure na bago tayo mag-invest, we already have enough knowledge on what we are getting ourselves into.
Also, don't invest yet if you still have debts, diba? Pay your debts first. And when you start to invest, much better if you can do it regularly or consistently. You can do it every paycheck or every month. It depends on you. You just need to assign a specific percentage, whether it is 5, 10, 15, or 20% of your income, diba? It really depends on you kung ano yung mas nag-work sa budget nyo.
So now let's move on how you can earn from investments. So first is through capital gains, which is a profit from the sale of property or an investment.
For example, you bought 100 shares of Jollibee at 100 pesos per share. So it means you invested worth 10,000 pesos. And after a year, the value of Jollibee is already at 110 pesos per share. So you earn 10 pesos per share, and the 10,000 that you invested before is now valued at 11,000. Because you have 100 shares, you already earned 1,000 pesos. And that 1,000 pesos is the capital gain. Always remember lang din na meron tayong tinatawag na paper gain and paper loss when we invest. Just like nga doon sa example natin kanina na 1,000 pesos na capital gains mo, hindi mo pa siya ma-realize as capital gains hanggat hindi mo pa binibenta yung stocks or hanggat hindi mo pa kino-close yung positions mo.
And then, you can also earn through dividends, which is a money paid regularly, typically quarterly, by a company to its shareholders out of its profits or reserves.
It can be paid through cash or shares. It really depends on the company and the investment that you are investing in. Lastly, we can also earn from interest, which is money paid regularly at a particular rate for the use of money lent. Like for example, naglagay tayo ng pera sa time deposits, 'di ba? Binibigyan nila tayo ng interest as a profit because they borrow our money.
So to wrap things up, investing means different things to different people, and not all investments are related with money. Some investments can be an investment in your relationship, in your health, and so on. Also, one of the best investments that you can ever make is an investment in yourself.
Another thing is, do not invest in something that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it is. Do not just invest because you watch it or hear it from somewhere or someone. Always do your own research before investing. And also, never invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. And make sure that before you start investing, you already have the contingency fund or the emergency fund equivalent of 3 to 6 months of your monthly salary or expenses, whichever is higher. And bakit nga ba kailangan muna natin ng contingency fund before we invest? Siyempre, kapag ka nagkaroon ng emergency, ayaw naman natin na i-pull out natin yung investment natin dahil lang sa wala tayong extra money or extra funds na gagamitin for emergency. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all. Alamin mo kung ano yung swak para sa'yo, kung ano yung nag-work for you, di ba? It doesn't matter what works for other people. Always do what works for you.
And lastly, investing may not be the very attractive thing to do, and for someone, it may seem boring. But investing is very important, especially in helping your money grow. It will give you the ability to have something in the future. And that's all for our topic, and we hope this video added value to you. And kung may natutunan kayo or may gusto kayong i-share, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to get updates on our future videos. You can also share this video to anyone else you know para mas marami pa tayong matulungan. So thank you guys for watching. See you on our next video. Bye!